Hello, welcome to Classic Academy. Hello, in this video we will be looking at factorization of sum and difference of two cubes. Basic knowledge. If we have the square root of x is the same as x to the power of 1 over 2. And if we have the cube root of x, this is the same as x to the power of 1 over 3. So what about if we have the cube root of x cubed? This is the same as x cubed to the power of 1 over 3, which is x to the power of 3 multiplied by 1 over 3. And we are left with x to the power of 1. If we multiply 3 multiplied by 1 over 3. And x to the power of 1 is equals to x. Now, we have the cube root of 8. We know 8 is equals to 2 to the power of 3. You can punch in your calculator 2 to the power of 3, you will get 8. So the cube root of 2 to the power of 3 is equals to 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 1 over 3. And we multiply these numbers. We are left with 1. 3 multiplied by 1 over 3 is equals to 1. So we are left with 2 to the power of 1. What is 2 to the power of 1? Is equals to 2. So in today's video, we will be looking at the sum of two cubes. Factorization of sum of two cubes. How do we factorize this expression? So we start by finding the terms in the first bracket. So what is the cube root of x cubed? We know that it is x plus the cube root of y cubed. This will give us y. And then we find the terms in the second bracket. So we are using the first bracket to find the terms in the second bracket. X multiplied by x squared. X multiplied by positive y is positive xy. And then when we write it in the second bracket, we change its sign. It will be negative xy. Positive y multiplied by positive y, it will give me positive y squared. So this is how we factorize the sum of two cubes. So finding the difference of two cubes. In finding the difference, we first find the terms in the first bracket. We first find the terms in the first bracket. What is the cube root of x cubed? X. The cube root of y cubed minus this minus y. And then we determine the terms in the second bracket using the first bracket. X multiplied by x, it gives me x squared. X multiplied by negative y, it gives me negative xy. And when we write it, we change its sign, it will be positive xy. Negative y multiplied by negative y, it gives me positive y squared. This is how we factorize the difference of cubes, of two cubes. Now, factorize x cubed plus 8. We first determine the first bracket, the terms in the first bracket. How do we determine the terms in the first bracket? The cube root of x cubed is equals to x plus the cube root of 8. We know the cube root of 8 is equals to 2. And then determining the second bracket using the first bracket. X multiplied by x squared. X multiplied by positive 2 is positive 2x. And we write negative 2x. Positive 2 multiplied by positive 2 give me positive 4. So this is how we factorize x cubed plus 8. So if I may ask, Can we take this further? Can we factorize the second bracket using the method of factorization of trinomials? The method of factorization of trinomials, can it give us a solution here? No, we cannot factorize this further, so this is our answer. Let us try it. What are the factors of 4 that we can multiply and give us positive 4, and when we add them, they give us negative 2? Try it and see. So example 2, we have x cubed minus 27. So how do we factorize? Factorize x cubed minus 27. So we've determined the terms of the first bracket. A cube root of x cubed is equals to x. What is the cube root of 27? The cube root of 27, then with this minus, it will be minus 3. So using the first brackets to determine the second bracket, x multiplied by x, I get x squared. X multiplied by negative 3, I get negative 3x. And then when I write it, I change it a sign, it will be positive 3x. Negative 3 multiplied by negative 3, it gives me positive 9. So furthermore, can we take this further? What are the factors, if we want to factorize the second bracket, what are the factors of 9 that we can multiply and it gives us positive 9? And when we add them, it gives us positive 3. Then there is no such factors. So our expression ends up here. So in the upcoming video, we will try this. Simplify the expression below. X plus 3 over x minus 3 multiplied by x squared minus 27 over x squared minus 9 multiplied by x minus 3 over x squared plus 3x plus 9. Try it.